Boom, finally got it open, guys. We're gonna jump right into it. This is called, I'm gonna call it a POV headset, guys. Those of you trying to do the POV drive and you always holding your phone like I do. I was looking on Amazon. I'm like, man, I don't want to order a GoPro or anything right now. Let's say you low budgeting right now in the moment, and you want to just still record with your phone, but you still don't want to hold it. You know, you still want to have good footage, but holding it with both hands or shifting or doing whatever, right? Okay, this is a good video for you guys. This is my first time looking at it, so let's see what Amazon has brought us. All right, okay. You guys give me a second. I gotta hold it. I gotta try to. Got it. See what they got. All right, this the little probably the thing that goes around your head, the band that goes around your head. Bear with me, guys. I'm trying to do this all with one hand. That's why we got them out. Oh, okay. Look at it now. That's a strap for your head. Nice. Strap for your head. Then you got the piece that holds your phone. This right here screws in to that to tie in. But first, this right here obviously has to go like that. I'm gonna put this thing together, guys, and I'm gonna see. It's dark outside. I might give you a POV drive at night with it just because it's my first time using it, literally. So we're gonna see how it looks, man. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, before I put it on my head, I just want to show you guys. This is good quality, man. This thing looks durable as I don't know what, and I'm gonna put the link down. I'm gonna put the link down in the description below so I can get you guys to get one of these if you want one as well. Man, listen, it even look at that. That's grip. Just in case I'm wearing a hat right now, but this is. It looked like even though it looked like it's just glue or whatever, but that's grip. It feels grippy. That's gonna be on your head, okay, guys? Guys. So far, so good. As you can see, this is the POV. We about to drive like this. Yeah. This is so nice, though. It looks big and bulky, but it works. So guys, this is how it looks so far. You guys let me know. I gotta get my windows clean. You can see my windows dirty over there. Jesus Christ. You guys let me know what you guys think about this and would you guys wear it? People about to look at me like, what the fuck this motherfucker got on his motherfucking head. Alright, I might get some gas into it. definitely got some bumpy roads. I tell you that. Go around the curves nice and easy. I know you see them curves. Look at that. Of course, they're not gonna make it. And then, oh no, that's a red light. I can't take that. They got me. They got me. As soon as I said, of course, they're not gonna take it, and they like, all right, man, let me see if you gonna take it. See, and I'm the one who chickened out. Yes, because I see all these little blue little lights looking like police over there. I'm not about to do that. Let's you gotta stay driving safe too now. Woo. There you go, guys. These things can come to a complete stop on a dime. and the only thing about this is this still recording. I don't know if it's still recording unless I take it off down. Let me see if I can see. I'm gonna take it off my head. Let me see, guys. Oh yeah, we still good. We still good. We got some good time on here. But hey, I'll make another POV. I don't want to keep you guys for too long because I'm picking up my brother right now. Yeah, gotta go take him to do some things. Oh, you just gonna try to pull out, huh? You just gonna try to all right, guys, thank you guys for watching. Hey, listen, y'all see how this is, man. I'm gonna have to close a video like this, unfortunately, so I'm gonna catch you guys in the next POV, and it's gonna be daylight, man, where you guys can really see stuff. It's dark, and I got these dark tints, so. But hey, if you like the video, thank you for subscribing. Man, listen, my subscribers are going up. I appreciate everybody. So y'all gonna help me get my Hellcat. I'm trying to tell y'all, gonna see me go from an RT to a Hellcat. So if you like it, comment, and subscribing and not hiding, I appreciate that so much. Y'all know how this YouTube thing goes. So y'all go ahead and show some love, and I'm gonna show some love back, okay? So y'all have a good one, drive safe. And I'm gonna say it one more time, like, comment, and subscribe, and don't hide. Thank you, guys.